Let's take up this problem of distance and time. The train is moving with a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less to complete the same journey. And we have to find the speed. So let us take the speed as x kilometers per hour. The distance covered in the first case is given 360 kilometers. So by the formula time is equal to distance upon speed, we have time equal to 360 upon x hours. When the speed is increased by 5 km per hour, the new speed will be x plus 5. And therefore time taken to cover the same distance is 360 upon x plus 5 hours. As the speed is more in the second case, time taken will be less. So to find the difference of times, we will subtract this from the previous time. Therefore, 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1. Taking LCM, we can simplify this equation further. As they are different, the LCM will be their product. This would be multiplied with this to get the LCM. In the numerator, we have, and similarly in the other part, opening the brackets, 360x plus 1800 minus 360x upon x square plus 5x is equal to 1. 360x and minus 360x cancel, and cross multiplying 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x, or x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0, which represents the given situation. So here a plus b is equal to 5 and a into b is minus 1800. Break it into more pairs. Negative sign means the numbers will have opposite sign and will be subtracted. It means the numbers we have to use are 40 and 45. Therefore, x square minus 40x plus 45x minus 1800 is equal to 0, or x into x minus 40 plus 45 into x minus 40 equal to 0. So finally we get x equal to 40 or x equal to minus 45. The speed cannot be negative, so we reject x equal to minus 45, and therefore speed of the train is 40 kilometers per hour. Hope this answer is clear to all of you. If you have any doubts, you can always ask me in the comment box and I will try to answer as soon as possible. If you want to check out other videos on this topic, you may click on this link, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. That's all for today. Take care and goodbye.